SBU. So today I'm going to share with you guys and review about Patanjali product, and the product I'm today reviewing is Patanjali Anti-Wrinkle Cream. So this is the product I'm going to today review with you guys. So first we will read what all it has been written over here. Patanjali Anti-Wrinkle Cream for dark spots and wrinkles, and this is the 50-gram product, and you get this of rupees 150. So according to me, this is a little on expensive side. According to the range of the Patanjali products, the generally range are 60-80, but this one is of rupees 150, so a little on expensive side compared to Patanjali products, I'm saying. So all this this claims all that Ayurvedic property medicines it has, and so you just can read from the packaging all these. It has all that Ayurvedic stuff, everything it has. The tube looks like this. So this is the packaging. I am using this product since 1 month. So I have given this product a little time because anti-wrinkle creams doesn't immediately works on your skin, and if you have any dark spot, and if it is claiming for the dark spots and wrinkles, so you have to give the product a time at least 2 to 3 weeks to actually show results on your skin. So which I have given this product that much of time. After that I am reviewing this with you guys. First we will talk about the fragrance part. It has the same Ayurvedic smell in it, but sometimes I find the smell of the raw chiku. Do you guys know chiku is my favorite fruit, so sometimes I kind of feel that it is sometimes if you cut the raw chiku and the fragrance is come with like that raw smell is coming from the chiku, that kind of smell I feel. This is completely my opinion, what I feel. So that kind of smell I feel in this product. So because for me the smell is good because I love chiku. Or if somebody doesn't like that Ayurvedic smell, so sometimes you will feel the smell stays only for few minutes after applying, and after that it disappears. So the smell doesn't play a major role. So there is no need to worry that if you don't like the smell or either you like the smell. So in either case the smell will go within few seconds or few minutes, I would say. So I'll show you how thick and how the cream actually looks like. So it's in brown color. Brown means semi cream color, cream off white or cream color you can say. So this according to this they claim that you have to use this product twice a day, coin size of amount on your fresh face, and it will. So I'll show you the texture of this cream first. The texture of the cream is very thick, as you can see. It doesn't drop and all, and you can see the cream color also. So I'll show you see this kind of cream it is, and I'll show you when you apply this cream on your skin. I have taken too much product. Actually this is for face. This much quantity you should use for face, so I have shown you this much. So it is see the texture is very thick, I must say that. And if the cream is claiming that it is a wrinkle cream, so the texture should be this kind of texture, because wrinkle needs moisture. Wrinkles happens because of your dry skin, so it needs that moisture to get back that moisture and this kind of texture is a perfect. The cream is perfect for the wrinkle cream if it's claiming. So I'll show you how, if I apply it nicely. And excuse me about this mehendi, I'm trying to learn to do mehendi, so that's why I've applied. So don't excuse it I was trying to do mehendi. So I hope I have done little better job, not that bad but not that good also, so it's okay. So do let me know in the comment bar how you find this. So do you want me to do tutorial on mehndi one also? Do let me know in the comment bar. Okay, I'm going off track. So see, the cream is really, I have blended in real time with you guys. So see, the cream is blended very well, and you can see on this side is mehndi, but this side you can see little shine it has given to me. See, the cream gives little bit shine to your face or little bit glow also to your face. So it's really thick, nice. If you have oily skin, then I doubt, because this is a very thick cream. So generally the oily skin people doesn't have that much of wrinkles, because already they have oil on their face. So I am talking for the dry skin people, like I am a dry skin. That's why you should start, whenever, if you have a dry skin, you should start early applying the wrinkle creams. I must say 25, 26 only, as it will avoid, the wrinkle will not come only. After wrinkle comes and you apply everything on that sort, it will heal, everything happens, but it will not disappear. To be very honest, it cannot be disappear. So according to me, that's why if you have dry skin, you should start applying very early, like 26, 25, 27, like this, or according how much you have oily skin. But according to me, if you are crossing your 25, after that you should give your skin that nourishment to prepare to getting because age, hormones changes and everything happens to your skin. So you should start pampering your skin. I'm going everywhere. So you should start preparing your skin for aging basically. But okay, yes, and that's what I'm saying. So yes, let's get back to the screen. I'm going all to different chapters. So see, the cream gives you the little bit shine on your face, and it is very thick, and if you have oily skin, you might find it little sticky, and it for some time, I will say for 5 minutes, you will feel heavy on your face, which I feel. Yes, this cream feels heavy on your face, but after 5 minutes you will not feel anything. But only for 5 minutes you will feel the heavy application, that you have applied something heavy on your face. As because of that only. And now, does this cream work or not? We'll go in that part. Yes, this cream has worked for me. How? I will explain you. When I actually spotted some, I was not having any wrinkles, but there were some fine lines over here. If you see nearly in the mirror, you will, as with this portion of ours goes, like eyebrow goes up and come down, so already we have certain lines. So wrinkles happen first to this area and then they come down to the eyes area. So I was seeing very fine lines over here on my forehead, some very fine lines it was, but I thought that I should treat them quickly. So I started applying this cream, and you won't believe, within 3 weeks, yes, 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks, I got my results, and that lines were disappear. This cream has worked on, I would not say that they were wrinkles, but there were fine lines on me. So I'm not pretty sure that this will work on the wrinkle part, but I'm sure if you religiously apply this cream for 1 month, if you have heavy wrinkles, then surely it will work on your skin and you will see the results. We see the results, we notice the difference in our skin. We know our skin the best whenever we see in the mirror. So you will see a difference in your skin. If you have fine wrinkles or heavy wrinkles, I am not having heavy wrinkles, so I am not sure how much this will work on the heavy wrinkle part. But yes, it will work. I hope. And if you have heavy wrinkle and if you try this, cream, then do come back and leave your comment in the comment section. This will help others also, and I will also know कि does it work on heavy wrinkles also. So yes, so this has worked on my wrinkle, and according to me the price, and it has all that Ayurvedic products, and I'm not having any dark spots also, so I'm not sure it will work good on dark spots also, but I'm sure that it has given to overall my skin a firm complexion, I would say, and a normal shine to my skin. So from my side, for this product from Patanjali side, is a big thumbs up. It really works. If you see anti-wrinkles cream of other brands, they are bomb your pocket, but for 150 rupees you get such a good product, and it is all natural, no chemicals in it, and it is working actually. So this is a big thumbs up from me, and I suggest, and if you have crossed your 25 or 26, 27, then start applying this cream. There is no harm once a day if you apply. If you don't have any wrinkles, you can apply once a day and the wrinkles will not come. So that is the best part actually. So that's why I suggest all my angels that if you have crossed your 25 and 26, so start applying this cream in your regime. There is no harm. This is all medical, all Ayurveda products, so there is no harm or no side effects, only benefits. So from my side, it's a big thumbs up for this product. I really love Patanjali range. And if you have any other products which you have tried and they are really good, then do let me know in the comment bar. I will also grab my hands on that and let me know that one also. I will love to do that for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of mine. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. I love you all.